we're running Bushland, Ecology and Ecological field studies in Bold Park, which is really exciting because Bold Park is an A-class reserve on the Swan Coastal plain in an urban setting. Students get the opportunity to work in an ecological threatened habitat, to run transects, quadrats and be part of citizen science climate watch trails. The programs in Bold Park look at conservation of ecosystems, habitat protection, and are perfect for Year 11 and 12 geography and biology students.
My name is Fabienne Bim and I'm a science teacher at Duncraig Senior High School. I'm teaching ATAR biology and this program is perfect because in the classroom we look at theory and we're researching books and looking online, but to come to an actual place and to have that practical element is really good for the kids.
Our Bold Park programs increase environmental literacy, allow students to have hands-on opportunities to run in situ conservation methodologies. The students work together creatively to tackle environmental problems. Kings Park Education and Learning has committed to the UN's Decade on Ecosystem Restoration.